Greetings, COM 4098 Capstone Portfolio students. This is just a gentle reminder on how to submit assignments for this course. Here we are at our course's homepage. Every assignment that you will need to submit for this class can be located here under the weekly course modules. You can also find this link over here in the left-hand tab. So we'll go to weekly course modules. And these are all of the assignments: your case study, your citizenship quiz, your professional cover letter and resume, your audio-visual aid, your full sentence presentation outline, your presentation, your community event essay, your research paper, and last but not least, the directions on how to submit your capstone portfolio. So, let's say you're curious as to, Dr. Murray, where is my citizenship quiz? You will click on this folder. You'll click on the quiz. Once you click on the quiz, make sure that you take a screenshot once you have completed the quiz. Click on the quiz and you will begin. I'm going to cancel. I'll go back to weekly course module and use the professional cover letter and resume. Professional cover letter and resume. These are all of the directions. This is a sample. You'll click here. It has the due date. Once again, the assignments, the objectives. You'll browse your computer. You'll upload your assignment and you'll hit submit. And you can do that for each and every assignment. As mentioned at the start of the semester, please feel free to go ahead and upload all of your work. You do not have to wait to the due date. Here you can find some course resources that has the assignment sheets just as an additional area for you to have the information. But everything you need for this course to submit your assignments is located in the weekly course modules. I hope this small tutorial will assist you with being successful in this class. All the best, Dr. Murray.